Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for the Imprint application. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Imprint application and check within, you will see that there is no option to enable or disable notification. So if you wish to change the notification settings and turn it off within your phone, then you will need to use your phone settings. Go ahead and open up your phone settings page and then scroll down and then tap on apps. From the apps page, you can use the search box in order to search for the Imprint application, or you can scroll through the app list to find it. Once you find Imprint, tap on it and you will see the notification option underneath privacy. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can simply turn the toggle off in order to turn off notifications from the Imprint app. You can come back to this menu and change your notification settings preference at any time you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Imprint application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.